All right, artists, now that you've created your landscape, we are going to transfer this image to our printing plate. Our printing plate is made out of foam, and when you trace an image, it's going to appear on this surface below. So it's really important, first of all, that we tape our design down so that it doesn't move. So I'm going to tape all four sides. And you don't ever want to undo this tape until I've checked your assignment and it's complete, because once you move the tape, you can't ever get your image back in quite exactly the same spot again. So what I'm going to work on now is I'm going to carefully trace everything that I've drawn. And when I trace, I want to use a pencil that's not too sharp, because I don't want to tear holes in the foam. I just want to be able to press down hard enough when I trace everything that the image appears on the surface below. So I'll trace a few lines here. I'm just pressing with a medium amount of pressure, not too hard or too soft. Carefully going over my lines. And I'm going to trace everything, but I just want to show you what it looks like if I can carefully just take a peek so you guys can see. You can see the image has been scratched into the surface of the foam. I didn't put any holes in this foam, but I traced everything, and you can see my mountains really well. I'm going to go ahead and finish tracing all of this, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. All right, so now that I've double checked that everything has been traced, I'm gonna wanna double check your images as well. I will come around and let you know that it's time to tear off your painting. So you just wanna carefully peel that tape back or get scissors to trim it off. I don't wanna rip my work, so I'm just gonna carefully work on removing this. Okay. So now you can see my image is on this foam plate, and the next step is to trace over everything one more time and just make these lines a little bit wider and deeper so that when we paint, we're really gonna have a good surface area to work with. So I'm gonna trace everything one more time, just being really careful not to poke any holes in this foam. All right, so I'm all done now, and we can move on to the next part, which will be making a print with this image. So I'll show you how to do that next time.